Hey everybody, Renaissance Man here again. Yep, the old timer. Actually lived in the Renaissance time. Today we got a video on how to make some clamps that you can buy, a reverse clamp. And you don't have to go spending extra money on what somebody would call a reverse clamp when you've already got one and you may not even know it. So without further ado, here's the video showing you how to do just what I just said. But first, I'm going to tell you a good joke that'll make you laugh all day long. Here it goes. A man attempted to hijack a bus full of Japanese tourists. The police has 3,756 photos of him. Get it? Because Japanese always carry cameras everywhere they go and take pictures. Well, anyway, I hope you enjoy the video. Like, subscribe, share, and leave some nice comments below. And I'll see you next time. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to fix these scissors. The pin in it broke. What I do is put the pin back. It's fine. So be careful how you hit these things or it won't scissor no more. And anyway, but first I'm going to show this clamp. So there's a lot of people, I'm not going to show this, but I was thinking that maybe some people, it's new to woodworking, that may not know it. But these clamps here are actually, you can use these as reverse clamps. They come with a pin in them on the bottom, and the pin is a split pin. You just or a little collet is what it looks like, and you just pinch it together with some pliers, and it pulls right out. It stops this here from sliding off. If you take this down really far, it stops it from going all the way off the end, and you can put it in either of these holes. But you don't need it. It's just there. You don't have trouble if you slide it down a whole lot. But these, they come with these things that come off the top, or that you unscrew. These things are not. You can take the top off and then insert this under a table and then put the top back on and use it that way. But that's not the intention. That's not the intention of this head being removed. The intention of this head being removed is to make this a reverse clamp. And to make it a reverse clamp, what you do is you unscrew this. Here, like that. You take this off and you turn it upside down, like that. You put this back in. See, it's facing up. So now that's facing up, and then you take this part, and you take this part here, slide it all the way down. So you got to hold this in, common sense, then all the way off, and then you turn it like this.
Hey Daddy, we still have that.
And you hold this pin, slide it in.
Hey Daddy, we still have that rectangle. Cookies and cream,
So you put it on here like this.
Nobody ever wears that.
And because of my daughter and it's facing the wrong direction, put it like this. Like that. And then put it on. And then once you get it on like that, it will look like that. One facing out that way and one facing out that way. So now when you use it, see, it goes in the opposite direction, out like that. And then this is a spreader now. Instead of clamping stuff together, it pushes stuff apart. So that's the purpose of these things here. And a lot of people don't realize that these are reverse clamps. And now it's back. Now it's back to being a normal clamp again. So just remember, these clamps here are reverse clamps. If you buy a clamp that actually has reverse clamp wrote on it, and they charge you more money for it, it's no different than this. This is a reverse clamp. It's the same thing. They just try to trick people that don't know nothing. This here's an 18-inch one. You got bigger ones. So there you go. Reverse clamp. Now you know. And now you know. And knowing is half the battle.